guys, today we are gonna make a video. This is the canvas of my another video which was cancelled. It was painting dip. So painting pouring So today we're gonna do another video on that canvas which was cancelled. So we're gonna do balloon dipping. So subscribe for more videos and comment down below. Comment down below and tell me what more videos should I make. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up. Put half water and half glue. I mixed on this half glue and half water on the inside of the cup. Then I put colors. Now let's put the drop of the colors on the canvas. Then in the middle, so you can see my picture of this. Then I can show you how it turned out. And don't forget like and subscribe and comment down below what more videos should I make. And thank you for watching my video and subscribe down below and tell me what more things should I make. Bye.